Right now, you are probably following advice that will be completely obsolete in 2 years. The tools, the courses, even the core concepts are shifting. If you are feeling overwhelmed or starting from zero, this is for you. I am not going to give you the 2024 playbook. I am going to show you exactly how I would restart my AI journey in 2026 with zero assumptions. This is the honest, no BS strategy you need to hear. Forget everything you learned, this is the only skill that survives. Look at any AI headline from today. By 2026, every single model will be obsolete. Your goal isn't to memorize a library that will be deprecated. Your advantage is understanding the core architecture, the principles of building reliable, reasoning systems. That is the permanent foundation everything else is built upon. Master the why, not the what. Let's be brutally honest. The frantic race to master the hot new model is a trap. In 2026, the real leverage isn't in using the tool, it is in being the person who identifies which problem that tool should solve. AI is becoming electricity. Your irreplaceable skill is designing the house it powers and guiding the people inside it. Stop chasing the latest API. The real power shift is happening one layer above. You will orchestrate specialized agents. Your new core competency isn't just prompting a model, it is architecting workflows that chain reasoning, tools, and human judgment. The goal isn't to use the hammer, but to be the foreman who knows exactly which hammer builds which house. The AI skills you are mastering today will be worthless soon. Do not be the mechanic who still thinks in terms of wrenches. The interface is the engine now. Your primary skill is commanding it. Master this conversation, learn its strengths, its nuances, and its limitations. Your fluency here determines everything that follows. This isn't about using a tool. It is about developing a partnership with the single most powerful lever of 2026. Think of your screen as a command console for creation. You no longer begin at the keyboard typing syntax. You start by clearly articulating the problem, and the interface translates your intent into precise, functional code. Your focus shifts from building pieces to architecting entire systems, defining the what, while it handles the how. This change is fundamental. Most people get this backwards. They drown in syntax before they ever see results. You will not. Your first project is not to build a model, it's to command one. Use the interface today. Generate something real in minutes. That tangible win, that spark of creation, is the only fuel you need to dive deep with purpose. You must feel the power first. Forget everything. Your 2026 AI roadmap starts by unlearning. This single tool redefines programming. It is not just autocomplete, it's a copilot that grasps the architecture of your entire codebase. You will converse with your project, issuing high-level intent, while it handles the syntax. This shifts your role from coder to director, massively accelerating development and letting you focus on solving the real problem. Look past the giant general models. The real power move is mastering the curated marketplace of smaller, specialized AIs. Your new job is to be a conductor, not a soloist orchestrating these nimble, best-in-class performers for specific tasks. This hub is your control panel. You will swap out models like components, assembling precision solutions no single monolithic intelligence can match. Here's the orchestra. But every maestro needs the perfect score. Your next core tool is the Advanced Data Workshop. This isn't just a dataset, it is your forge for crafting the flawless, purpose-built information that trains and refines your specialized models. Master this, and you graduate from merely using AI to truly engineering its intelligence. Forget everything. Your AI learning plan is already obsolete. Stop collecting tutorials. It is time to build a single, living system. A personal dashboard that predicts your energy levels, for example. This single build will force you to learn data pipelines, model training, and deployment, the complete loop. You'll confront real, messy problems. That struggle is where genuine, lasting mastery is forged. Everyone preaches projects, but they get this crucial part wrong. They build safe, isolated widgets. You must build one system so interconnected, its failure breaks your entire workflow. That terrifying dependency is the pressure cooker. You will stop copying tutorials and start engineering real solutions, because now your own data and decisions are on the line. This is how you internalize the stack. Building a standalone project is like practicing scales in an empty room. You build muscle, but you never feel the music. Instead, build the one complex system that is your orchestra. Connect the instruments, conduct the flow, and when one violin falters, the entire symphony stops. That's not practicing. That's learning how the whole ensemble truly works. Forget coding. Master this single skill by 2026. Discord is already collapsing under its own weight. That's an audience, not a community. You are looking for private circles, think tight-knit forums or closed groups where real practitioners trade the specific, tactical wins that actually move projects forward. This is where the real competitive edge in 2026 is forged, far from the public noise and generic motivational posting. By 2026, your genuine intellectual capital is your network. These private arenas demand more than consumption, they require active contribution. Consistently share detailed post-mortems of your attempts, especially where things broke. This isn't about showcasing success, it is raw signal in a noisy world, proving you're solving real problems. That proof earns you access to the scarcest resource, actual builders. These communities will become your early warning system. When a new library drops or a paper gains traction, your trusted circle cuts through the hype instantly. You are no longer algorithmically fed content, you are part of a human intelligence network that moves faster, spotting what truly has edge weeks before the mainstream catch up. Success in 2026 AI will not be about knowing the most tools, but about strategically leveraging the right abstractions. Your primary skill shifts from implementation to orchestration, directing AI systems to solve clearly defined problems. Start building your single, comprehensive project now to develop the integrated mindset that future platforms will require. Pick one personal problem and start exploring how you'd solve it with the AI tools available to you today.